How to add someone to your Sam's Club membership. I'm going to tell you how to add someone to your Sam's Club membership. First, important note, this can't be done for the Sam's Club app or a phone browser, so you'll need to use a computer to add a member. Now go to samsclub.com and then just sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, just click on your profile in the top right and select membership. Here you'll see the option to add a complimentary member or add a household card holder, depending on your membership type. If you have a plus membership, you can add one free card holder member, and if you have a club membership, you can add someone for a small fee. Enter the person's name, email, and phone number, and then just click save or add member. They will get an email with instructions to activate their membership and can start shopping right away. Just remember, you must use a computer for this process.